Hey everyone, welcome to byGoldenberry. I'm Tina and today we're going to go through how to work the half double crochet. In UK terms that's the half treble. Here's a small sample of what it looks like. This is the next step up from the single crochet, which in the UK terms that's the double crochet. You can find a video on my channel if you haven't done that one yet. I'm going to show you how to work this stitch from the foundation chain and from row to row. I'll show you how to work the turning chain and where to go at the end of the row as well. To start off, I've made 15 chains, and you want to make the chain as long as you want your piece to be, and then from that point we'll chain 2. So if you want to make it easier, you can mark this last chain so that we know where to work into for our first stitch. So we'll chain 2 from here to get the correct height for this stitch, and then we'll go straight into that marked chain. So we've got 2 chains here, that's our chain 2, and we're going to be working into this third one. So we start off by yarning over and then go into the chain, yarn over, pull through, so you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's your first half double. Again, you can mark this stitch so that we know where to make our last half double crochet on the way back on the next row. So we'll do that one again. We'll yarn over, work into the chain, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And carry on like that until you get to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. I've made my first row of half double crochets. This is marking the first half double crochet of the row. And next we're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 2 like we did earlier to get the correct height. And we're going to work straight into this first half double crochet here. So we'll skip the first 2 chains, yarn over, go into the stitch under both loops. Unless the pattern says so, you will always work under both loops of the stitch. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So you can tell where the first stitch is by this nice V shape on the top. That indicates this last stitch. So I'll do it slowly one more time. So we yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over again, pull through, we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So continue like that until we get to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. I'm at the end of the second row, and this is our first half double crochet that we marked on the first row. So we're going to work into that one. that's the last stitch of the second row. So to make sure that you've done it correctly, just make sure that you've got the same number of stitches as your initial foundation chain. So I chained 15, so I should have 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's it. That's how to work the half double crochet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try and help out. And please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.